Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I just had a long day of lectures, so I feel a little tired, but overall I'm good.
By the way, what's your favorite subject in college?
My favorite subject is English because I enjoy learning new vocabulary, practicing communication, and reading different stories. Helps me express my thoughts better.
Which teacher do you like the most?
I like our math teacher the most. He explains difficult problems in such a simple way that everyone can understand, and he is very patient with us.
Do you live in a hostel or at home?
I live in the hostel because my hometown is far from the college. Hostel life is fun since I get to spend more time with friends, but sometimes I really miss my family.
What do you usually do after classes?
After classes, I usually go to the library to complete assignments. Later I play cricket with friends, and in the evening I watch YouTube videos to relax.
Which sport is your favorite?
My favorite sport is football because it keeps me active and healthy. I also enjoy watching international matches and supporting my favorite team.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books, especially motivational ones and novels that teach life lessons. Reading helps me relax and also learn new ideas.
Do you use social media often?
Yes, I use social media every day, especially YouTube and Instagram. They help me stay connected, learn new things, and share my own thoughts.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I started a YouTube channel last month. Something I always wanted to do, and finally I gave it a try.
What type of videos do you upload?
I upload educational videos where I explain topics in a simple way. Sometimes I also post short motivational clips to inspire students.
How many subscribers do you have now?
Right now, I have around 200 subscribers. It's not a huge number, but it makes me happy because it shows people are supporting my content.
Do you want to become a full-time YouTuber?
Yes, if my channel grows well in the future, I would love to be a full-time YouTuber. But for now, I focus on both studies and content creation.
What's your dream goal in life?
My dream goal is to become a good teacher because I love explaining things. At the same time, I also want to build a successful YouTube career to inspire others.
How do you manage your studies and YouTube work?
At first, it was hard to manage both, but now I make a timetable. I study during the day and work on YouTube videos at night or weekends. Balance is important.
Do your parents support your YouTube channel?
Yes, my parents support me a lot. They believe it's better to use my free time productively instead of wasting it. Their encouragement keeps me motivated.
Do you ever feel nervous while recording videos?
In the beginning, I felt nervous and shy while recording. But after making a few videos, I became more confident and comfortable in front of the camera.
How do you edit your videos?
I use my laptop and free editing software. Editing is fun because I can add music, text, and effects to make my videos more professional.
Do you want to collaborate with other YouTubers?
Yes, I would love to collaborate with other YouTubers. Helps to share ideas and reach more people.
What advice would you give me if I also start a channel?
Be consistent, upload videos regularly, and choose a topic you enjoy. Don't worry about views at the start. Just focus on learning and improving.
I think I will start my channel soon. What do you say?
That's amazing. When you start your channel, let me know. I'll subscribe and share your videos to support you.